GeoBlue Travel Insurance Review, is legit or a scam? GeoBlue Travel Insurance Review, is legit or a scam? Planning an international trip can be stressful, and GeoBlue Travel Insurance promises coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations and more. But is it trustworthy, or just another travel scam? Most people get this wrong by thinking all travel insurance providers are the same. The surprising truth is that GeoBlue is a legitimate and reputable insurance company, backed by Blue Cross Blue Shield and focused on global travel coverage. Their plans typically include medical evacuation, hospital stays and coverage for unexpected illnesses or injuries while abroad. You won't believe what happens next. GeoBlue also offers a mobile app for easy claims and access to global medical providers. Users report quick claims processing and responsive customer service, which can be critical when you're in an unfamiliar country. However, coverage limits and exclusions vary by plan, so it's essential to read the fine print carefully. To make the most of GeoBlue, compare plans based on your travel destination, length of stay, and any pre-existing conditions. Always keep documentation of your policy and receipts for medical treatment while traveling. In conclusion, GeoBlue Travel Insurance is a legitimate and reliable choice for travelers seeking comprehensive medical coverage abroad. While no insurance can guarantee every emergency is covered, GeoBlue's global network, solid reputation, and responsive support make it a trustworthy option for stress-free travel.